Today we're going to do a review on this RC car. This is a new brand to me. Hosim is what it looks like. This is a very budget-friendly RC car with some pretty cool engineering we'll show here in the next little bit. But for now, we're going to do kind of a makeshift unboxing. I took a peek at it earlier. The radio is still in the plastic down there below. Also took off the clips here for the body. And here's a look at the underside in here. As you can see, it looks like there's some nice engineering here with the bumper. Very similar tech from behind. A nice and flexy spoiler there, which is pretty cool. Comes with 2 batteries. At least the kit that I've got came with 2 batteries. Nice and smooth to the roll. Not a lot of resistance or sound, which is cool. And coming up next, I'm going to put stuff together and show you the 2 batteries that come with it. In fact, right here are the 2 batteries that come with it, which I think is pretty nice. You've got 2. They say the run time is supposed to be really long. We will put that to the test. This is the accessories pouch, and I wanted to show you guys the most important thing in my opinion, and this is the wheel lock. So before and after you drive your RC truck, it's important to tighten the wheels, tighten the lugs, because you can lose a wheel and that can cause all kinds of weird stuff you probably don't want. All right guys, we are gonna do the maiden run. The steering seems super responsive. Oh yeah. Turns on a dime, has good grip on the road so far. Not the absolute fastest RC truck I've ever had. But it isn't slow. Woo! Almost hit myself. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's got a very nice set of lights in its grille. I think that's pretty cool. All right, let's see how we do off-road. That's some rough stuff. Handled it very well. Let's see how it goes from a stop. Not bad. Not bad at all. Need to do a little steering trim. Probably do that off camera. There's some little adjustments on the radio. Nice brakes. Okay, we made a little adjustment to the steering trim. I think I went the wrong way. All right, let's make another little adjustment. Okay, that's a little better. Went a little too far. Thing boogies a bit. Now this is 2S power, handles jumping off a curb just fine. The suspension seems really good. Runs on 2S 1500 packs with the Dean's connector. Oh yeah. It's doing it. It's doing the thing. No problem. Woo. So you can see it's sitting in there pretty deep on an uphill deal. At least I hope the GoPro shows that. No problem. The four-wheel drive is nice. I have to say that at this price point, it's tough for this thing to be much better. I don't know what it is going to be in the future, but as of right now, it is a very good price point, and I'm going to put that on the screen now. Oh yeah, guys. This thing handled everything much better than I thought. I wasn't sure what the top speed would be. This is a little lacking in speed for me, the super top speed. But overall, if you're a beginner, this is probably the perfect beginner RC car. Yeah, because it's fun. It's not going to get stuck that easy. And it seems fairly durable, especially for the price point. I get handled the rough terrain very, very well. Like, comment, and subscribe. And GBLynden out.